This is my WLED display board project. I'm using it for a trophy display for a trophy I received last year from AMD during their Hackster AMD Pervasive AI Developer Contest. Thought it was pretty cool, and stay tuned to watch more. I'd like to thank PCBWay for sponsoring this project and sending me the boards. They look great, and they're high quality, and they worked really well for the project. WLED display board. I have two groove interfaces here, one for I2C and one for UART. They have capacitors there, 10 LEDs with their capacitors, a microphone headers over there, and then I have a level shifter on the side here. Unfortunately, in my original schematic, I had an issue with the capacitor for the level shifter, so I've just soldered over it because I didn't put it to ground. It was a mistake. I fixed it in current revisions that are posted online, but there was that, and then a fuse there which I didn't use, so I just soldered over it. And then what else is left? Oh yes, then we have the IR right there. Pretty simple board. I have the pinout for the ESP32C3 because I'm using a Xiao ESP32C3 there. The enclosure parts I put together for this, there's a base here which I printed in black PETG. It has 4 screw holes for screwing in the board. Additionally, there are these kind of sunken screw holes for screwing up. And I have this opaque PETG here that is then screwed in, hides the screws in the base. I glue this to the top, and it creates kind of a neat enclosure. The opaque one has a hole there for the IR and the USB on that side, and the groove connectors on the other for expandability in the future. So I'm going to put that together now. I've gone ahead and assembled the board to this 3D print component, and as you can see now, I'm going to attach this diffuser so that the light is made opaque around the edges. With that set now, the two pieces are connected together with a screw on each end, and there's just the top to be glued, and then to use the device it's going to look like that. And there you go, there's the project all together. I really think it looks nice. I'm going to try now using some of the presets to see how they look on it, and I'll showcase them. So as you can see here, there are multiple different patterns that can be supported. It's from WLED's dashboard, so just pretty much lots of different various things that can be selected to create a unique experience. The nice thing about this particular trophy is, as you can see, it's lit up really well because it's glass. So it gives that nice effect on top with the diffused at the bottom, which is neat. And yeah, it's just a cool one. I'll just put on a few of these as I go through. I'm not going to go through them all, but you can kind of see the effects. I'm going to be testing it with a YouTube audio royalty-free music that's made for creators here in their audio library with Rough Money by The Grey Room. Yeah, I'd like to thank PCBWay for sponsoring this video. It's a really cool sort of project to put together, and something that I had hoped to build from when I saw the initial trophy. Just one of those things that really makes it stand out versus collecting dust on a shelf. Thank you for watching, and I hope you watch other videos in the future. Like and subscribe.